Video Ringtones is an Android application that allows users to set custom video clips as ringtones for incoming calls and notifications. This innovative app enhances the traditional ringtone experience by offering visually engaging video content that plays in the background when a call is received or a message arrives. Users can choose from a variety of video clips, including personal videos, short clips from movies, or animated graphics, transforming the way they are alerted to incoming communications. The app typically supports various video formats and allows users to edit the length of the video to fit the ringtone duration. Additionally, video ringtones often includes features such as volume control, fade-in and fade-out effects, and the ability to assign specific videos to different contacts, ensuring a personalized experience. Overall, this application appeals to those looking to add creativity and individuality to their phone's notification system, moving beyond conventional sound-based alerts to a more dynamic visual presentation.